Hello, my name is Wanda Adorno. I am the Family Consumer Science Agent here at UF IFAS Extension in Seminole County. Today, I would like to share one of my mom's recipe called sofrito, which is a sauce. Sofrito, it's a mixture of fresh ingredients that has herbs, onions, peppers, and I would like to share that recipe with you today. So for Lucy's ingredients for sofrito, what we're gonna need today is about 4 to 5 different yellow onions or white onions. It's your choice. Today I bought the yellow onions. This one is quite big, so if you find a few that are this big, you only need about 3, but I bought 4 today. Garlic, about 5 cloves of garlic, that's all you need. Cubonel peppers, about 4 to 5. Bell peppers, any color you prefer. I choose red to give it that nice color and to the sauce, the sofrito. And sweet, about 10 sweet peppers. You're also gonna need about 14 to 16 ounce can of peppers, canned peppers, roasted canned peppers. This is to lubricate the blade of the blender when you start your sofrito. You're also gonna need herbs. You're gonna need a bunch of cilantro and a bunch of culantro. If you cannot find culantro, you could add another bunch of cilantro. That would be your substitution if you could not find culantro. My mom's Lucy's secret ingredient, this is optional. She puts 1 tablespoon of cumin in the sauce, and this gives it a great flavor. So before you start, make sure to wash all the ingredients and make sure you wash your hands very well. We use sofrito to add some serious flavor to an ordinary meal. For an example, yellow rice, season different type of meats, bean stew, or ground meat. But most importantly, to use natural ingredients instead of spices or condiments that could be high in sodium. What you eat affects the chances of developing high blood pressure, hypertension. Research shows that high blood pressure can be preventable or lowered. High blood pressure is the force of blood pushing against blood vessels wall. High blood pressure means the pressure in your arteries is higher than it should be. High blood pressure is dangerous because it can make your heart work too hard, hardens the wall of your arteries. If not controlled, high blood pressure can lead to heart, kidney diseases, stroke, and blindness. Substituting high sodium spices and condiments for natural fresh mixes like sofrito or herbs can be a great start to managing your blood pressure. Other spices are great too for seasoning, like rosemary and thyme. So now that we have everything a little diced, you don't have to cut it in small pieces, just dice to get it small enough in the blender so it could chop properly. The first thing we want to do is add the can of peppers. And then we're just gonna grab a bunch and do it as, you don't want to fill up the blender, maybe up to here, and we get started. So when the mixture is ready and looks like the sauce, go ahead and put it in your containers. Now, if your refrigerator temperature is kept at 40 degrees Fahrenheit, you could keep the sofrito up to 7 days in your refrigerator. If your freezer is kept to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, you could keep it up to 3 months, the sofrito. After 3 months, it kind of starts losing the natural flavor, so we recommend that you go ahead and use it before the 3 months. So you don't forget when you did the sofrito, we recommend that you label your product, when was the day that you made it. So this way, if you have to freeze it, you know when to use it by. To learn more about nutrition classes, health and wellness, please visit our UF IFAS Extension Seminole County Facebook page.